Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus without onion and garlic. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of tahini, which is essential for that creamy texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for brightness, 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, and a half teaspoon of salt to enhance all the flavors. These simple items form the perfect base. Now let's get blending for that signature smooth hummus. Start by adding your drained chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and salt into a food processor. To achieve the perfect consistency, incorporate 2 tablespoons of cold water. This helps the ingredients emulsify beautifully. Process everything for several minutes, scraping down the sides as needed, until the mixture is incredibly smooth and free of any lumps. Patience here yields the best results. Once your hummus is wonderfully smooth, it's time for a taste test. Adjust the salt or add more lemon juice to suit your preference. If you prefer a slightly thinner consistency, simply blend in 1 to 2 additional tablespoons of cold water until it reaches your desired texture. Finally, transfer your delicious, homemade hummus to a serving bowl. Garnish with a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for a beautiful finish. Your fresh, homemade hummus is ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. This versatile dip is perfect with warm pita bread, crisp fresh vegetables like carrots and cucumbers, or as a flavorful spread in sandwiches and wraps. It's a healthy and delicious addition to any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.